Your Bolt's brush may not be turning for several reasons. It has a brush on-off switch, so make sure it's on. Your brush will automatically shut off if it is bound by too much hair. A blinking red light will indicate this. To take care of this, turn your Bolt off, press the vacuum foot release button to disconnect from the vacuum. Turn over the foot of the machine to expose the brush roll. Slide the tab down to unlock, then lift the corner cover piece. Grab the brush roll and remove. Clear any hair or string from the brush ends around the brush roll and where it connects to the foot. Place the brush roll back into the foot, then secure it into place by locking the tab. Replace the vacuum body into the foot. Your brush roll is now cleared and ready to use again.